Hello everyone, I just wanted to take a second to show you the new remote tab that will appear in your homeroom attendance and how to use it. The middle high school has been using the remote tab for a little while now, but because of the issues with homeroom attendance in elementary school, Mindex has been slow to release it, but it's finally here. So here you'll see your schedule, which I'm sure you're familiar with. We're going to come over here to our homeroom and go into homeroom. And you're going to notice on the left, right after the flag, you'll see this remote tab. Now, this remote tab is going to be populated automatically based on the cohort that the students are in. So if they are supposed to be remote, there will be check marks in these boxes, right? So let's for now pretend that these students are remote. The reason that there are no check marks in this remote column right now is because I'm using this teacher's homeroom after attendance has already been taken. So it's the check boxes are already unfilled, but they will be. If when you take attendance you notice that a person is checked who is not supposed to be remote, or a person is missing a check who is remote, you can put a check mark in there or remove it manually, but please contact me or the main office so that we can make sure that this is populated automatically and make your lives easier. So that is essentially what you'll need to be doing, is checking these remotes. If a student is supposed to be remote, and they are, leave that checkbox there. And if they are remote and they are participating in your class, then they are remote and present. If they are supposed to be remote but they miss your class for whatever reason, you may mark them absent, or also if they're extremely late, you may mark them tardy, as you always have. And we may run into a circumstance where a student is supposed to be in person, but for whatever reason, be it that they are in quarantine or they may just be ill, but they want to participate in your class remotely, even though they weren't scheduled to be. You may still put a check mark in that box, mark them remote and present, and that will not count as an absence against them. So if you have any questions about this remote checkbox or how it works, please send me an email, or you can contact Heather in the main office and she'll let me know. Either way. So that's the remote checkbox. Thank you.